Hmong Bruce Lee was born on May 2, 1974, in the village of Longchiang, located in the central of Xianhuang Province, Laos. He was 43 years old. He is a loving father of 6, Brandon, Jasmine, Maddie, Char, Lexus, and Zach. He also a loving brother to Paku Lee and Pa-Nye Lee, a loving son for Java Lee and Yi Chang Lee. He and Heidi Hart have a son, Brandon Lee, currently serving in the military. He and Lynette Long have 3 children together, Jasmine Lee, Madison Lee, and Char B. Lee, and 2 stepchildren, Lexus Long and Zach Long. Hmong Bruce was merely just 1 year old when his parents fled from Laos to Thailand in May of 1975 after the communists took over Laos. They landed in a makeshift refugee camp called Nong Khai Refugee Camp. This refugee camp was built after the influx of Hmong and Laotian refugees escaped from their war-torn country of Laos after the fall of the kingdoms of Laos to the communists. They only stayed there for a short time and then moved to the next refugee camp called Ban Vinai Refugee Camp. His family then resettled to New York City, United States in September of 1979. They only stayed in New York City for about a year and then moved to Santa Ana, California, to be closer to family in 1980. They stayed there for 6 years and then moved to Chico, California in 1986. Hmong Bruce Lee was the type of person who has always put others first before him. He is a kind, sincere, and very generous person. He loved his kids, his family, more than anything in the world. He was well liked by everyone and anyone who comes across him. He made friends from all kinds of backgrounds and never judged anyone's skin color or religion. He is very forgiving and gives people the benefit of the doubt at all times. He is always there for anyone who needs him and can turn something negative into positive advice. Although he has been through many hardships in his life, he still managed to look on the bright side and never give up improving toward a better life for his kids and his family. Even when he is feeling down, he still managed to put on a smiling face in front of a person. His strong point was his friendly smile. He loved to smile toward anyone he sees regardless what the situation was, whether good or bad. His weak point was his love for food, but don't we have that weak point in loving food? Bruce was recently changed his life around before he left this world. He decided to give his life to Jesus Christ and repent all his sins. He said there is no turning back, that he was going to look toward to a new and better life as a born-again Christian. He was excited about starting anew and wanted to make his family proud. He wanted to be a proud father, a son, brother, and an uncle. May you rest in peace with the Lord now, Bruce, and remember that you will be forever missed and loved. No matter what, we are all proud of you. Your kindness, your friendliness, your sincere, your warm smile, your love, and your laughter. You will always be in our hearts and memory. In loving memory of Hmong Bruce Lee.